with a little bit of pixie dust. All adventures come and join with us. With a little bit of pixie dust. All adventures come and join with us. With a little bit of pixie dust. On adventures, you'll come and join with us.
Good morning and welcome back to Pixie Dust Adventure. This is Chloe, I'm Alan, and Chloe's my Mello.
Hi!
And this morning we're off to Blizzard Beach. We're going to go for a nice swim, try out some rides there. Our camera isn't waterproof, so we'll show you as much as we can, but we can't take it in the water with us. After that we're going to go to the shops at the outlet. Chloe wants to have Cheesecake Factory for lunch. And then this afternoon we're going to go to Magic Kingdom again, to try a few rides we didn't on the first day, and hopefully see those fireworks again. So we'll see you at Blizzard Beach in a few seconds. So we've arrived here, Blizzard Beach. We went into this place here, the Beach House. We got our towels.
Some really good merch in there, by the way.
Complimentary if you're staying on a Disney resort or if you're staying at a partner hotel like we are. It's fantastic. Chloe said there's some good merch in there.
Yeah,
she's
really
looking
good
at a t-shirt later on. And then we're going to be heading over this way to do some swimming and riding. And I really want to do all the rides, but Chloe's a scaredy cat. She doesn't want to do the one apparently that drops you vertical, if there's one here.
No thanks.
I'm going to do every single ride because I'm not a scaredy cat. But yeah, well, we're here.
They've got some Christmas snacks here.
We're excited.
Peppermint milkshake.
We're looking at Christmas snacks.
We've got the Orange Bread Holiday Citrus Swirl. Mary Mary Melon. Seems good to me.
Oh, that sounds fantastic, doesn't it? Dole Whip orange ones.
I'm saving my calories today for our dinner at the Cheesecake Factory.
Yes, me too.
Yeah. Even though holiday calories just don't count.
Yeah, but Cheesecake Factory is a lot. There's a lot of food apparently.
The changing rooms are just here, opposite this sand breakers, even though it says ice breakers. And then next to those are the lockers. Fantastic. I believe that you put a code in and that's it. Trying to find one that's not in use. Well, who knows? I'll figure it out in a sec.
Snowy.
Snowy. And Mickey. Ellie the elephant. Very fun. Very fun.
Did you do them?
Renting a locker, you have to use this machine. I can't really see what it says because the sun's really bright on it.
Just waiting for payment. I think I've put my card in.
How much is it?
It's $10. But it says change of it. Oh, change. Yeah. So it's $10.
It's $10. Oh, just like that, we've had about 3 hours swimming and riding and going on the lazy river. It's fantastic. I did all the rides. These guys didn't do the two biggest ones, but they're really good.
Did everything else but 2 rides.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
The really high one, can't remember what it's called. Summit Plummet. That is so cool. And the gusher one as well. Very good. What was your favourite, Chloe?
I can't remember what it's called, but it's a big dinghy, and that was really good. That was really fun.
The one where we had to go together.
Yeah.
And what was your favourite one, Ella?
The one where we all race in like 6 lanes and we go down forwards.
We're on the toboggans, yeah.
I love that.
That was really cool too.
We also got these really cool things.
We
My
did.
mum treated us to.
To a 50th anniversary sippy cup, which whilst you're here you can refill infinitely. What was it, $12?
Yeah, $12 something. Only to
Bad.
use in the parks, but the water parks.
And also we had some Cheetos. They were fantastic.
My favourite.
I mean, it's crazy because it's Boxing Day. It's 26 degrees. It's really warm. It's lovely. The water was nice.
So good.
Going to a water park and swimming on Boxing Day in England doesn't seem like possible, but and there we are. A wonderful morning. We're all really hungry now, so we're going to head back. We're going to go via All Stars for the buses because they're a bit complicated. So we go All Stars and then get a bus to Disney Springs. We're going to do a little bit of shopping at Disney Springs, then we're going to go for dinner or lunch at the
Cheesecake
Cheesecake
Factory.
Factory.
Delayed reaction, but yeah, it's
Sorry.
That's
I was
okay.
like, where are we going again? Oh yeah, Cheesecake
I'm
Factory.
confused.
So a hop, skip and a jump and a little bus journey, and we'll see you in Disney Springs in a sec. Had to film this chalk here. It's Pluto. And over there you got some kids just drawing. Don't really want to walk on it. Looks so very cool. Also, Chloe mentioned that I should say that the locker was $15 for a large one for the day, and that the towels are complimentary if you're staying at a resort or a partner like we are. Wyndham Gardens also gave us the right to have the complimentary towels, and you get them from here. Beach House.
For all those pin lovers out there, these are the prices. We've got some really cool Blizzard Beach pins. Typhoon Lagoon pins over here. Stitch. Got these two. And then we've got all of the other ones that I'm sure you can get in the parks. Lots to choose from. And if you need any like bits and bobs while you're here, that's all here as well. Plasters and stuff. I'm going to go for this cool tie-dye t-shirt. There's lots in here. So say you break your swim shorts or you forgot them, you can get them here and they're not too bad. So 54, yeah, it's not too bad. They're quite good quality as well, to be fair. Got some really cool tops around here. What a dog. It's a cool t-shirt. $24.99. Dreams come true. Get some water shoes here if you want. It wasn't too bad actually on the floor. And you can get some Disney flip-flops. They're $14.99. So that's pretty good. Lots of different sizes as well. We've got sunglasses around here and everything. Oh, Alan's found something. Crikey! So clearly you can colour these in. Outside, I think Alan showed you, they're drawing chalk stuff on the floor. That's really cool. I like that. Small little touches. And we've got some Huggies and stuff there for children. Some inflatables, lots of towels and sarong type things. We've got some really cool little t-shirts. And there's some really nice swimming costumes for the ladies with a bit of a Minnie Mouse theme. It's cool, I like that one. Bikini as well. Bikini. Hat, in case you forgot it. You can have a whole family selection here. And then we've got some t-shirts here as well. And Alan's off to fill his drink up again. Guzzler. And that's it. So I think I'm going to get this and we can head on over to Disney Springs, and then it'll definitely be time for Cheesecake Factory. I will really quickly show you this cool towel though. So you can get the Blizzard Beach towel, and they're $29.99. And there's snacks in here, which we all love a snack.
And like magic, we've arrived at the Cheesecake Factory. We did actually have to wait 50 minutes for our reservation. Not reservation, just to get a table. So we went to Target and we did some shopping there. And so here we are. Are you excited?
I'm really excited, I'm really hungry.
Yeah, me too.
Especially after swimming all morning.
It's like 4 o'clock now in the evening, and apart from a couple of Cheetos, I've not eaten anything at all today, so...
Didn't cheat.
Didn't cheat, apart from Cheetos.
We think that this restaurant is new because on the outside it says now open, but and it does look really new. Like everything's really nice, like all the lights and everything.
Right.
It's really cool. We're really looking forward to it. First experience. Okay, so we're here And apparently this bread is the best bread. Okay, we're gonna try it. It's warm, it's delicious.
It's very sweet for bread. I feel like there's no sugar in this bread.
Oh my god, let's try this slice, it's amazing.
It has the consistency of a cake.
It comes with salted butter as well. Blue moon, I see you standing alone. Yeah, this is a blue moon by my terrible singing. We've got some massive jugs of water, and then we've got my mum went for like some mojito drink, and Alan went for a Coke Zero. Obviously, the bread was devoured within seconds of us being here. So,
I was just calculating the calories for this one meal. I'm getting the bacon cheeseburger with fries, and I'm going to get the cinnamon cheesecake. 3,500 calories.
it's hardly anything.
Wow.
I'm gonna go for the I can't remember what I'm having now. It's like spicy chicken chipotle pasta I think I went for. And then I'm thinking I've got like 2 cheesecakes I can't decide between. But I think I'm gonna go with the celebration cheesecake.
Celebration should be the one.
Yeah, because we're celebrating. And yeah, my mum's gone for the bang bang chicken something with shrimp. So apparently it's like a real specialty here, so I'm looking forward to seeing that actually. And maybe trying a little bit. Sneaky, sneaky.
Which cheesecake are you going to go for?
The strawberry cheesecake brings back memories of what I've had before, so I really like that, and I probably will go for that with fresh strawberries. And they asked me if you want cream or to just do, so I'm going to have that on the side. Otherwise, they put so much cream on there, and all I remember is that the portions are sealed here, so I'm waiting to see that, see if it's changed. Everything is still the same, so it's lovely.
Here we are, the chipotle chicken pasta. Looks amazing. Smells amazing. Can't wait to dive in. The portion is massive. Yes. Then we've got over here bang bang chicken.
Bang bang chicken and shrimp.
Thank you very much.
And then we've got the bacon cheeseburger. Looks amazing. So I am defeated, but I also want to leave room for my cheesecake. So we're going to take this to go. Yeah, we're taking the bread. Don't judge us. Bang bang chicken is gone. How was it?
It was fantastic. Massive portions. Nothing's changed there. Good to see that. Yeah, just totally full. Need my cheesecake to go because I just can't fit it in.
Hence why I left some. By the way, this was really, really tasty. I highly recommend. She put on, I don't know, a truckload of parmesan for me, which was amazing. How was your baguette?
Fantastic. Really, really enjoyed it. It was bacon, so it's a normal kind of streaky bacon, but it cooked really well. Also kind of thick gammony pieces of bacon as well as the beef burger, which was fantastic. Really enjoyed it. And the chips, fries, very special. They're like cooked in probably the filthiest oil that I had. Enough salt to last a lifetime. It tastes so good.
Hell yeah.
Thank you, America. Look at it.
So, one thing I like about America is that you can take your food to go. It's amazing. I love that. And we've all ordered everyone's on their phones. Very sociable.
I'm
Sociable.
trying to order my test to go back home.
Okay, that's fine. I'll let you off then. Alan, however.
I'm going on Pixar Dust Instagram.
He's not, because Chloe does that. Anyway, so we've ordered our cheesecakes. I've gone for celebration. Alan went for, look, he's on Instagram but not on Pixar.
What's this then? What could this
He's
possibly
watching the story that I put up. Anyway.
This is big, that's what we did this morning, see?
Alan's gone for a...
Target shopping.
What's he gone for?
Cinnabon cheesecake. Oh my god, I'm so ready for this.
I don't think I'm going to finish mine. I think I need another doggy bag to go. And my mum has ordered a...
classic cheesecake with strawberries. The strawberry
It's the strawberry cheesecake because there's an original and a strawberry.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. And I said I couldn't manage it, but she's insisted that I at least try it here.
She's going to put it in a bag to go, but you have to have a slice here, yeah?
Some of it.
We do. It's tradition.
Yeah.
We're here at the
It's
factory of
amazing.
cheesecake.
This is the best place
I'll give it my
ever.
best shot.
You've got this, I believe in you. With your best shot. What is that? That's insane.
This is a small slice of cheesecake.
Put your hand next to it, show the size. That's so big. That is a big piece of cheesecake. So this is the Cinnabon one. Lighting's not that great in here to be fair, but it looks amazing.
That's the low calorie option.
It's low calorie.
Delicious, tried a tiny bit on his finger.
This can taste it. I need a fork though, for chef.
I think you can just eat that without a fork.
Shall I go for it?
No. That's
Go on.
no, stop it!
So I went for the celebration. This is, I think, larger than mine as well.
That's insane.
Wow, look at that. It's like a birthday cake type vibe.
Mad, I'm not going to be able to eat all this.
Yeah,
It's
she says that now.
insane.
And Ella's gone for the strawberry original one in a takeaway pot, but she does need to eat some here. It's
And
only a
these
rule.
are massive strawberries. I don't know why they get those.
Strawberries
massive
bigger than
strawberries.
eyeballs.
The strawberries so good.
And just like that, we are back in the room. And we had a really cool Uber driver, Lyle, and he had a massive Jeep.
Jeep Wrangler Sahara.
Jeep Wrangler Sahara. It was really cool. I got to go up front, so it was really fun. I'm a big old Jeep fan, so for me that was awesome. He was like, "Oh, Jeep fan?" I was like, "Yeah, I am." Anyway, he was telling us all about his life, and it sounded really cool. And then he told us about this TikToker, Dawn Farmer, and apparently like she cracks up the US people because like just things like, oh, they don't have butter in the sandwiches apparently, and we were all in the car laughing because we were like, yeah, we put butter in the sandwiches. Like, no way. So it was really fun. It was like really cool to have like a bit of a fun ride. Very, very charismatic man. So anyway, we were going to go to Magic Kingdom, but I think we're all a little bit too full, as we predicted from Cheesecake Factory. So anyway, so we're probably going to just stumble over to Disney Springs, have a mooch around. It's been a really good, relaxing, but also busy day. And I got this really cool thing, a watermelon lime flavoured water with no bubbles drink, so I might give that a go. So yeah, apparently it's good for you. There we go. That's the only good thing I bought for myself. Everything else is just crap. Cheetos, Oreos, honey buns, oatmeal cookies, all the good stuff. Yeah, can't wait. Anyway, it's all packed out sight, out of mind.
Hello. Thank you for watching our vlog. In our classic style, we forgot to do an outro whilst we were there. Chloe's just been editing the vlog. I've just got back from work. Thank you very much for watching along. We really enjoyed Blizzard Beach and the Cheesecake Factory, and we went shopping in Target. Sorry we didn't show so much. We wanted to show Cheesecake Factory because that's a thing a lot of people haven't done.
I tell you what, I'm so hungry after editing that vlog as well. Like, looking at all the food that I didn't finish. And I took home as you saw, I took home half the pasta and I put it in the fridge back in the hotel and I never ate it. So like, I'm now like, my stomach, my little dieting Disney stomach is like, why did you not eat that? It was so delicious. So yeah, I'm not doing that again. I'm just going to eat the whole lot and be a pig.
We're working hard on our on our eating right now because we ate a lot at Disney World, as I'm sure you've seen, and we're hoping to be going back to Disney soon this year. No spoilers yet. However, thank you very much for watching along on this vlog. We hope you're enjoying this Walt Disney World series. We had a great time over Christmas. We can't wait to show you the next vlog as well. We also go to Universal on this trip.
Yeah, the next vlog, by the way, is Animal Kingdom, and we do an awful lot more that day than we do on this one, so stay tuned.
Thank you very much for watching along. Give us one of those little thumbs if you like it. Click one of the bells if you want to get a notification. Subscribe if you want to see more of our faces.
And also, thank you very much for all the comments so far.
Yeah, Danny and Jamie, you comment on every single video. Thanks, guys. We really appreciate that. Thank you very much. And until next time, remember... Adventurers out there.
With a little bit of pixie dust, all the adventures come and join with us. With a little bit of pixie dust, all the adventures come and join